who have a background of running successful organizations across the globe. On the other side, we have creative mentors. Creative mentors are the people who have close to 20 years of experience in filmmaking. So this creative team, along with the finance team, has come together to make a business model which in itself will be self-sustainable. In this, we have taken 5 initiatives. The first initiative is we are making a media and film city in Uttarakhand, and also we are making a media and film city in Goa. The total land size which we have allocated till now is close to 300 acres, and the investment which we are planning to make is close to $100 million. This initiative has been in place for last 1 year, and in next 3 months on ground level the work will start. This kind of a film city and a media city combined together will provide an infrastructure which as of today lacks in most of the places. Secondly, we have our big banner project production house by the name of Midas Global Films. In this, we are coming out with our 5 major projects, and all are A-rated projects, and in itself are the biggest which will be announced in last 1 to 2 years. Secondly, we have Brahman Bhaja, that is our short movies and web series production house, in which we will be making short movies which have a duration of 20 minutes and less, and also we will be initiating, which is something new, a series of short movies. Right now we have a web series which have multiple episodes, but what we have planned, and we will also showcase you our 2 flagship projects which are coming in the same theme, in which there will be 10 to 12 short movies based on a single theme. Thirdly, we are also coming in a big way in music, wherein we will be producing and making audio and video. Fourthly, for the short movies which we will make or the web series which we will make, we will not sell it out to current existing big players, but we have developed our own OTT and VOD platform. This OTT and VOD platform will have exclusive content which is being made under Brahman Bhaja. Lastly, we have introduced a new concept wherein we have come out with a talent hunt portal by the name of Pratibha Avan. In this portal, anyone can upload to showcase his talent, whether he wants to be an actor or whether he wants to be a makeup artist. This talent, once uploaded, can also be reviewed by the audience, and online they can also vote for the people they like. On the other hand, the talent hunt and entries will be given to our creative mentor teams, who will shortlist them, then do a live audition, and finally the people who are shortlisted will be casted in our short movies. So whatever we will be doing, that will be an in-house production. And
may I kindly invite a strategic head CEO of Midas, Mr. G.K. Mishra, on the dais. Mr. Prateek Jain to kindly. you so much.
I should not be giving this away when I'm too small, but
We have also with us Mr. Dinesh of the Bharat Gaurav Award, the Joint Secretary. May I also kindly request Mr. Dinesh?
Hello.
I'm very happy that myself and my wife both are doctors. We wanted him to be a doctor.
so has he disappointed you?
So he went to PhD in finance and in industrial banking. Now all of a sudden he turned to film line. So I was surprised that so many people are. So I think let us choose his life. If he's happy here, doesn't matter to what our parents want. He should be happy, and I'm very give you congratulations and thank you, and wish you a happy future.
Thank you so much.
डैश पर बैठे हुए हमारे तमाम जितनी भी हमारी बड़ी बड़ी हस्तियां हैं और आप लोग सब आए हैं, आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। मिडास ग्रुप जो है, जो काम करने जा रहा है, वो आज फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को बहुत बहुत ज़रूरत है उस चीज़ की। बिकॉज जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का स्ट्रगल है वो इतना डिफ़िकल्ट है, इतना मुश्किल है। चाहे वो कोई भी हो, चाहे डायरेक्टर हो, चाहे हीरो हो, चाहे हीरोइन हो, बहुत ही मुश्किल काम है। चाहे कोई स्क्रिप्ट राइटर हो और चाहे म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर हो। 17 साल लगे हमको इंडस्ट्री में एंट्री करने के लिए और बहुत मुश्किल से आशिकी हमारी फर्स्ट फिल्म थी और आशिकी से लेकर के फिर बाद में हमने पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखा। लेकिन टैलेंट को जो है बाहर लाना ये बहुत ही मुश्किल काम है, बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट काम है। और मिडास टच जो अब आने वाला है मिडास ग्रुप के ज़रिए, मैं समझता हूँ कि ये बहुत बड़ा काम होगा हिंदुस्तान के टैलेंट के लिए, यंगस्टर्स के लिए। और मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आई एम ऑल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ दिस इवेंट एंड बहुत अच्छा जिस तरह से अर्चना जी ने कहा कि भाई नए टैलेंट को ढूंढने में और उनको खोज निकालने में मज़ा आएगी। और हम जानते हैं कि हिंदुस्तान में जितना टैलेंट है, इतना टैलेंट शायद ही कहीं होगा, चाहे वो एक्टर्स में हो, चाहे वो डायरेक्टर्स में हो, चाहे म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर्स में हो, चाहे सिंगर्स में हो। तो बहुत खुशी हो रही है मुझे यहाँ से ये अनाउंस करते हुए कि ये मिडास ग्रुप जो है अब एक ऑक्सीजन का काम करेंगी हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए। और मैं उसके लिए आप सबको बहुत बड़ा धन्यवाद देता हूँ और सारी शुभकामनाएं मेरे तरफ से। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
It's really a great honor to be over here, and I really appreciate thanks Midas Group, and it's a great occasion. I think short films has really been since the digital platform has come from last 2 years. We have seen different kind of cinema, different kind of concept, and different kind of filmmaking has been going on. And this platform, which is being launched today, I'm sure it is going to be a great work for the youth, especially the youngsters who are looking for a great break in movies. And short films today is very much in. And people who don't get break in movies for the big budget, they can definitely showcase their talent on this platform. And short films definitely can get them big movies because it is another way of displaying their talent and their technical skill. So I really wish the whole team who has initiated such a beautiful concept and such a beautiful platform for the youngster. My wishes are there with you, and God bless you, the entire team. And it's a great honor to share dais with all the distinguished people on the lovely audience, and Archana ji and Shravan ji. It's a great honor. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Jesse is our first casted talent hunt candidate who's getting a break. Even before we officially launched the talent hunt. So these type of things will bring a change in the society, and 80% of the movies which we will do will depict the society, and only 20% will be fiction or drama. So we'll bring the real life people.
जितना मुझे पहले पता था उससे ज़्यादा अब जो जानकारी मिली है उससे और भी अच्छा लग रहा है, और भी गर्व महसूस हो रहा है दैट हम सब बॉलीवुड से यहाँ पर जुड़े हैं, आप सबके ये जो प्रयास है. एंड आई थिंक द मिडास ग्रुप जिस मोटिव से जिस the virtues that it is standing for and its motivation is very good, the goals and ideals. I personally am very happy to be part of it, more so now after hearing what lovely things you have in store for us. Especially जिस चीज़ के साथ मैं जुड़ी हूँ वो है ये जो ऑडिशन करेंगे हम सिटीज़ अलग सिटीज़ में जाकर, और जहाँ पर नया टैलेंट डिस्कवर होगा. I'm a lover of talent. Whoever has watched me ever on screen is aware that I love to encourage new talent and existing talent of course, but new talent जब discover होता है और वो जब आगे जाता है तो इतना अच्छा लगता है, and especially in a country like ours where so much talent is there and yet undiscovered. So Midas is going to discover that talent. I'm going to be there to help that talent to be discovered, and उन्हीं cities में वो जहाँ talent discover हुआ है उन्हीं cities में वो short फिल्में बनेगी, तो वो टैलेंट जो है उन्हीं शहरों में रहेगा और वहाँ पर और भी प्रॉस्पर होगा. So I'm very happy to be part of that, and I'm very happy to meet you, IP. I've heard so much about you, and the Midas group seems to be poised on a great threshold, and I wish you all the best. I'm very happy to be here, especially with Madhur and my dear friends from Bollywood, Shravan. So I wish you all the best, and it's very nice being back in Delhi. मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं यहाँ पर, मैं यहाँ पर कॉलेज LSR में पढ़ी हूँ. सो आप सभी प्रेस वालों को मेरी तरफ से नमस्कार. आई एम हैप्पी टू कम बैक टू दिस सिटी. तब उस वक्त ऑफ कोर्स आप प्रेस वाले मेरी तस्वीर नहीं खींचते थे, अब खींचते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम बैक इन माई सिटी विच आई लव सो मच.